In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more than one audio in PowerPoint. We'll do this using PowerPoint in your web browser, and I'll walk you through the process so you can add multiple audio clips confidently and keep your presentation sounding exactly the way you want. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for PowerPoint. Head to the official Microsoft PowerPoint site, which ensures you're in the right place and your files are handled securely. When the page loads, sign in with your Microsoft account. Being signed in means your work is saved to the cloud, so changes are preserved automatically, and you can switch devices without losing progress. Once you're in, create a blank presentation. This gives you a clean slate so you can focus on the audio setup. If you already have a presentation you're working on, the same steps apply there as well. With your presentation open, look at the top ribbon and go to the Insert tab. This is where all media tools live, including the option we need for audio. Choose Audio. A file picker will open so you can select the sound you want to use. Pick the audio file from your device and confirm. PowerPoint supports common formats like MP3, M4A, and Wavy, and shorter compressed files usually load faster and keep your presentation size manageable. Once inserted, you'll see a small speaker icon appear on the slide. You can drag this icon to a corner to keep it out of the way, and you can resize it if needed. The clip is now part of that slide. To add more audio, simply repeat the same process, go back to Insert, choose Audio, and upload another file. You can add multiple audio clips to the same slide, or spread them across different slides depending on your plan. Each clip will have its own speaker icon, so it's easy to tell them apart. If you're placing several clips on one slide, consider how they'll play. You might want one to start automatically and others to start on click to avoid overlapping. Keep file names clear so you can recognize each clip quickly. As you work, remember that PowerPoint on the web auto-saves, so your changes are safe. When you present, you'll control each audio clip using its icon or your slide's playback settings. With these steps, adding more than one audio in PowerPoint is simple, organized, and reliable. Just insert, select, and repeat as needed.